and welcome to Basic Bananas.
Hey guys, my name's Christo and this is
Francisca. We are the founders of Basic Bananas. Now in this video we want to give you a tip. A lot of businesses ask us, how can I make my business irresistible to my dream clients? So what are some of the things that we can do to be a little bit more attractive and irresistible to our dream clients? And we've narrowed it down to 10 different tactics. 10 different things that you can use to be a little bit more irresistible and attractive to your right market. Now, Krista is going to share one of them and then we tell you where you can get more of them.
Yep, so to make yourself stand out and be different in the market, a good little tip to think about is the problem we see is that businesses blend in. So too many businesses blend in and everyone has competition. So we've all got competition and marketing is kind of a crowded space, so we need to make our business stand out. So the one tip that I want to share with you on this video is to ask yourself the question, what is the frustration with your industry? So that you can think about what's the frustration, you can do things differently so you stand out in your industry. So an example of this is the Apple iPhone. Samsung recognized that, well, the screen's quite small, so they've made a bigger screen, and they also, that the media is locked to the iTunes network, so theirs isn't. So they recognize these frustrations and they play on those frustrations. So thinking about that in your industry.
Yeah, another example is an accountant, one of our members here at Basic Bananas. One of the frustrations that his market has is that his market doesn't understand the same language that sometimes accountants speak because they're numbers people and sometimes it's hard to get it. And so what he solves is actually speaking the same language, and he markets to that advantage, which is he's doing extremely well doing that. Now, if you would like to receive all the other tactics and if you've liked our style and if you want to have a little bit of fun along the way, then you're welcome to join us on the webinar that is coming up very soon. And you can find all the details, the time and the location is from your home, but you can find the times, etc. on this page, and you can also register and then you will get an email. And once you get the email, you can join us at the exact time that is outlined on this page. And we look forward to having you on the call if you want to be there.
We'll be sharing a lot of valuable content, so see you online.
See you then.
See ya.